Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 10th International Congress of Science, Technology and Innovation for Society CITIS 2024, which took place at the Salesian Polytechnic University UPS headquarters in Guayaquil, brought together more than 1,000 participants including exhibitors, teachers, students and guests. The event offered a wide variety of activities including workshops, conferences, a technological innovation fair and technical sessions, highlighting the commitment of participants to a more sustainable future. CITIS 2024, recognized nationally and internationally for its relevance and contribution to scientific development, aims to promote the exchange of knowledge and experiences among participants. The summer plenary session of the General Council, the last chaired by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime as Rector Major of the Salesian Congregation, closed on the morning of Friday, 26 July 2024. The 10th successor of Don Bosco in the Salesian Goodnight offered to the community at Salesian headquarters the previous evening briefly illustrated the work carried out in almost 2 months of sessions, at the same time offering words of gratitude to all his collaborators and confreres. As is the case every 25th July in the Spanish National Church of Santiago and Montserrat in Rome, a Mass was celebrated in honor of its patron saint, the Apostle James. This year, the ceremony was presided over by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco. In his homily, the Salesian Cardinal warned of the great temptation that the world has had throughout history, power, which can be overcome through service and witness. The Salesian Social America Network RASS, together with the San Pedro Claver province of Bogota, joined the Latin American and Caribbean Clamor Network and the Clamor Networks of Venezuela, Colombia and Panama to journey together and learn about the reality faced by thousands of migrants and refugees each year, identify their needs, their dreams, their challenges and their stories. A living workshop meeting, communication, advocacy and migration at the entrance doors to Darien in Necoclí, Colombia was held during the week from 22nd to 26 July. From July 18 to 24, the members of the ESA Central Commission, accompanied by board reference persons from the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Sister Yvonne Gollard and Salesian Father Claudio Cartes, met in the province of Our Lady of Aparecida of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Sao Paulo, Brazil. The agenda of the meeting included the detailed review of the evaluation of the 5th Continental Congress held in May in Guadalajara, Mexico, on the present and future of the Salesian School in America, an opportunity in which the various provinces of the continent met to discuss the significance of schools in America. Dear viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.